Let's do this 2022 scholarship question. It says, given this equation is equals to 0 and x is less than 0, find the exact value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. All right. So let's start with the equation. We have x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 4x squared plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now from this equation, we need to have x and something plus 1 over x, right? So here we can see that it's x to the power 4 and the middle value is x squared, right? So what I might do is I'll divide both left hand side and right hand side with x squared. So dividing both sides by x squared, we will get x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 4x squared plus 1 over x squared is equals to 0 over x squared. So here we'll be left with x squared plus x minus 4 plus 1 over x plus 1 over x squared is equals to 0, right? Now let's pair them together. So here x cube goes with x cube. So because in this equation we have x squares, let's put x squares together. So it's x squared plus 1 over x squared together plus x plus 1 over x together and minus 4 is equals to 0, right? So we know that a square, or let's start with the other side, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So if we need a square plus b square, we can write it as a plus b whole square, take away 2ab, right? So here, in case instead of a and b, we have x squared plus 1 over x squared, we can write it as x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2 times x times 1 over x, right? So this will give us x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2 and 2 cancel 2, right? I hope this makes sense. So in place of x squared plus 1 over x squared, we can write x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2, and the rest we have x plus 1 over x minus 4 equals to 0. I hope this step made sense. Now let's simplify this as much we can. So we have x plus 1 over x whole square plus x plus 1 over x minus 6 is equals to 0, right? Now here, this is a quadratic equation, just we have some funny variables there. So let's simplify the variables. Let's say, let x plus 1 over x be t. All right, so let's substitute that as t and simplify the quadratic. So we have t square plus t minus 6 is equals to 0. All right, so if we simplify, if we factorize this, we are going to get t minus 3, sorry, t plus 3 and t minus 2 is equals to 0, because 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, whereas 3 times 3 minus 2 is 1. All right, so here the two values of t is minus 3 and 2. Good. Now, if we have 3 and 2, we will have, if t is equals to minus 3, x plus 1 over x is equals to minus 3, right? So here, if we make that into an equation, we will get x squared plus 1 is equals to minus 3x. X squared plus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Right, so let's simplify that, and we'll do the same for the other t is equals to 2 on the other side as well. So here, if we use the formula, or you can use your calculator straight away if you want, but if I use the formula, I will have x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So x will be equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 4ac over 2. That will give me minus 3 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. These are my two values of x. Let's stay there, and now let's do the same for t is equals to 2. So we will have x plus 1 over x is equals to 2. X squared minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. That's pretty simple. It will become x minus 1 whole square is 0. So x is equals to 1. Cool. So two values of 1. Now, once we have got this, we have got three values of x. We'll have to see which value is valid for us to go further. Now, if we go back to the question says x is less than 0. All right, so only the value where x is less than 0 is the one that is valid. So here, that means this value we cannot use, not valid. Cool. In this case, now we have x1, let us suppose x1 is minus 3 plus root 5 over 2, and x2 is equals to minus 3 minus root 5 over 2. All right, so here, for both the cases, if we have root 5 here is equals to 2.8 something, 2.5 or 2.8 something. So here, minus 3 plus 2.5 is going to give us a negative answer. And similarly for x1, x2, we will get a negative answer. All right, so that means we are getting our x value is less than 0. So this one is valid. So we will use x is equals to, so we will use t is equals to minus 3 as our solution further when we go. All right, so we are using these values. Now we have x plus 1 over x is equals to minus 3. So what we are going to do is we are going to cube both sides. All right, so let's cube both sides. So when we cube, let's write the formula here. So a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Right? So here, if we put those values back, so it's going to be x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times x squared times 1 over x plus 3 times x times 1 over x squared is equals to minus 3 cube. Cool. So we have x cube plus 1 over x cube. Let's simplify that. So x will cancel one of the x values. So we are left with 3x plus, here it's cancelled, 3 over x is equals to minus 27. Amazing. Now here we need value of this. This is the question asking us to find the exact value of that. So let's simplify further. We are not going to touch x cube plus 1 over x cube. Excuse me. Plus 3. X plus 1 over x is equals to minus 27. Now here x, we started with x plus 1 over x is equals to minus 3. So we're going to substitute that here. So x cube plus 1 over x cube is equals to minus 27 minus 3, and this value is minus 3 as well, times minus 3. So we have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed is equals to minus 27 plus 9. And minus 27 plus 9 is equals to minus 18. 1 over x cubed, that is what they were asking. That is our answer. Cool. I hope this made sense. Have a good day.